What's up guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today's eye look is very simple and it only uses one palette, that is the Urban Decay Backtalk eyeshadow palette. So today's video is for the guys who is looking for a beautiful and also very simple makeup. And also for the guys who buys Urban Decay Backtalk eyeshadow palette already but don't know how to use it. Even if you don't have this palette, then it's totally fine. As long as you have a pink eyeshadow palette like this, then you can create a makeup look like this, and I'll show you how. So let's just get started. First, I'm using canmake concealer as an eye primer. Now I'm using the Urban Decay Backtalk eyeshadow palette. I'm using the shade Backtalk. So I'm blending it all over my eyelids but under my crease. You know, we're doing key beauty here and you really want to keep your eyeshadow small. So if you don't have this palette, you can use some other light pink. Now I'm using a fluffy brush that I didn't use before to make sure there's no harsh line. Now I'm using the color Attitude. Blending this color on the center of your eyelids. Keep this color around your double eyelid crease. If you don't have this palette, then you can use some other hot pink color as long as you love it. Now I'm mixing waterfog and 180 together. I'm blending them on the outer corner to the dark color like this. You really want to blend them well to make it soft. And don't try to make an angle on it. That's just not so daily look. If you don't have these colors, then you can use any dark brown color as you like. Now I'm using the color Curve on my inner corner to popping out my eyes. If you don't have it, then use some light pink glitter or metal light pink eyeshadow. And again, I'm using a fluffy brush to make sure there's no harsh line. Now I'm going back to the pink color to blend it again. And I'm blending the dark brown color again. Now I'm blending the bear to my under eye. If you don't have this color, then you can use some other light pink glitter or metal light pink eyeshadow. Now I'm using the color Shade. I'm blending it on the end of my under eye. If you don't have it, you can use some other dark pink. Now I'm curling my eyes. Now I'm using a NYX brown eyeliner to draw my eyeliner. Some people may don't get the use of a brown eyeliner. Of course, the brown eyeliner is lighter than the black eyeliner, but the brown ones gives you a more natural look. Now I'm using the Etude Houseplay 101 white eyeliner. I'm setting this eyeliner on the under eye. It can make your eyes bigger. Now I'm using the color Curve. If you don't have this color, then use your light pink glitter. Now I'm using the NYX palette. Use the brown color on your jaw and the side of your nose. Now I'm using the Armani foundation. This foundation is sustainable and the formula is good. It looks like your skin is naturally glowy. If you want a flawless skin, you can choose a liquid foundation. But if you want a more natural look, you can choose a cushion like this. And remember, before you put any foundation, make sure you contour first. Use the cream shade. Now I'm using the canmake matte fleur shading. First, you need to mix in two darker colors by rotating your brush in the between of the two shades. Then you just need to contour your nose. Now I'm going back to this palette using the three shades to highlight the part under my eyebrow. If you don't have this color, then you can use the lightest color on your palette. Now I'm using an angled brush because I feel like an angled brush is best for the blending for bigger parts. Now I'm using e.l.f. loose powder and I'm using a cushion to set it on. I feel like a cushion is better than a brush to set this loose powder on. Now I'm using the NARS orgasm blush. I can't tell how much I love this blush. First, I will use my brush to rotate on this blush to get some more colors. And then I will rotate the brush on my face again. I feel like rotating plays an important part of avoiding you setting a heavy blush. By rotating your brush to your face patiently, you will get a natural look blush. Now I'm using the MAC Double Gleam Highlighter. Just put a little highlighter on your face to give you that natural look. Now I'm going back to the canmake shading to contour my jaw again. Now I'm using bbia lipstick. Of course, I'm using a lip brush to shape my lip and make it bigger. Now moving to innisfree lipstick. Put this on the inner part of your lip. Okay guys, that's the end of this makeup. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.